Tired of having to spray quick start just to get your snowblower running? Welcome to WholeToolBox. If it sputters or won't stay running, the culprit is usually the carburetor. Old fuel and storage can clog it, stopping proper fuel flow. First, drain old fuel and check your engine model to get the right replacement carb. Remove the choke, disconnect fuel and primer lines, and unbolt the old carburetor. Transfer the choke butterfly, slide in the new carb, reconnect throttle and primer lines and tighten the bolts. Start your snowblower. Smooth idle means success. Use ethanol-free fuel, drain before storage, and consider a fuel shutoff valve. A clean carburetor keeps your Briggs and Stratton snowblower running strong all winter. Visit WholeToolBox.com for top-quality snowblower replacement parts. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.